Hey everyone, it's Ed from Off the Trails Outdoors. Welcome back. If you're someone who loves to add a little flair to your outdoor spaces, or just looking for a smart lighting solution that's easy and stylish, then this kit might be exactly what you need. Stay tuned. So at first glance, these rope lights feel very heavy duty, very strong. Something that's going to last out in the weather. So it's attached by some Velcro strips here. So we'll peel those off. So it looks like there is a power supply with your plug. The cord is not able to be taken out. I don't know if that's good or bad, so that's not bad. Okay, put the lights off to the side. These are kind of neat. So it also comes with some stakes. If you want to put this like along your driveway or your sidewalks, that's something you can do. That's neat that they give that to you instead of charging you extra. Looks like we got some mounts for like hanging on the wall and some screws. Directions here as well, and a remote. So I just installed some Govee lights, didn't have a remote, but I think it'd be kind of neat to have one of these as well. So I just need to find the plug. It must be in here. Okay, so I'm going to hook the plug up, and then it's got a washer on it to be weatherproof. And you're going to screw on this nut to secure the plug on. Now let me show you what I'm going to be lighting up. So I'm going to install this light kit along this add-on for my outdoor wood boiler to where it's under roof. So that should be enough to use up to 38 feet of the rope light. So I'm going to kind of extend it around here, and I think that's going to look great. So I do spend a lot of time out here cutting firewood, stacking firewood, and I check this wood boiler twice a day. So I think it's going to be neat, especially for the holiday season, to have this light kit up under my mezzanine here. So I'm just going to screw it underneath my side fascia here and then underneath my roof. So let's get to it. Okay, I tried to pre-measure and plan to see how I want this laid out. My power is on this side of the wood boiler in the pavilion, so that's where this has got to go. So what I'm going to do is lay this out and then find the middle. All right, these come with brackets, screws, and I would recommend putting on a tool belt when you do this.
So that's a wrap. That probably took me about a half an hour, 45 minutes to get that one strand up. Working in the cold with gloves, it's kind of hard to get the screw into the bracket, but after a few times, it wasn't too bad. But that was what slowed me down. I did put I could have probably put more. I've got about, I would say, 6 to 8 left, but I could have put some more brackets up, but I think it looks pretty nice. I'll go back through and clean up all my wires, but overall, I think it looks great. And as the sun sets, I'm gonna get a nice picture and see what you think. I'm in the process of now downloading the Lumary app. Shouldn't take long. There we go. I am gonna come back and mount my box and get these wires cleaned up, but I want to at least get this working tonight. So on the app, I'm going to hit add new device, continue, allow while using the app. I don't know if I have to push the button or not. It says discovering devices, hit add, password for my Wi-Fi. So you add your Wi-Fi password and it kind of connects. As of right now, it's adding. Okay, all done. I'm going to rename it. I'm going to name it Woodshed. Finish. Done. Okay, so it can there's all kinds of different combinations I can do now, I guess. So let's go check it out. So now I'm just kind of going through some of the different light features. And when it gets a little darker out, it's going to look really cool. Here's a Christmas theme. So what I'm doing now is going to set a turn on time. So I'm going to do 5 o'clock every day. Turn on, save. So now I'm able to not do anything. So this will be on 7 days a week, every day at 5. I'm also going to add, I usually fill the wood boiler at 11 p.m., no later than 11:30 p.m. So that's going to be my time to off. So I'm selecting all the days, turn off, save, and boom. Turn that on. And then let's go find a But there's a lot of different combinations on here. That's a holiday, and it kind of cycles through. I kind of like this Christmas Eve one. I really like. That's pretty neat. But I think for tonight, I'm going to leave it on the late autumn. Alrighty folks, there you have seen it. The Lumary Smart Lights are in action, which transformed my woodshed into something special. Whether you're looking to add a little bit of flair to your backyard or just want a flexible, easy to use lighting solution, these lights really bring both style and functionality to the table. The app controls, color option, and smart home integration make them a game changer for anyone who wants to customize their space with minimal effort. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY tips and smart home gadget reviews. And as always, if you got any questions about the setup or the features, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, keep lighting up your life, one smart light at a time. Thanks, guys.